I automated my entire life with AI.
My morning routine,
My meals,
my finances,
my health, my shopping, my calendar, even my relationships. I now have 15 extra hours every single week to do whatever I want.
This is not science fiction. This is my real life in 2026.
In the next 8 minutes, I will show you exactly how I did it. Every tool,
Every automation.
every step. You can copy this entire system today.
Let me show you.
My morning automation starts before I even wake up. I use Gemini AI connected to my Google Calendar and Gmail. Every night at 11 p.m., Gemini automatically reviews my calendar for tomorrow. It identifies any meetings, deadlines, or tasks. Then it drafts a morning briefing email to myself. When I wake up at 7 a.m., I open my email. There is a message from myself. Written by Gemini. It says, "Here are your 3 priorities today. Here is your schedule. Here are any emails that need urgent responses. Here is the weather and what you should wear." I read this in 2 minutes. I know exactly what my day looks like. No planning needed. No decision fatigue. AI planned my entire day while I slept.
Breakfast Automation.
I use ChatGPT with a custom prompt saved in my notes. Every Sunday I say, based on these ingredients in my fridge, create 7 healthy breakfast recipes for the week. 1 for each day. Include prep time and calories. ChatGPT gives me a full week meal plan. I screenshot it. Every morning I know exactly what to make. No thinking, no deciding. I just follow the plan. 5 minutes and breakfast is done. Exercise automation. I use an AI fitness app called FitnessAI. I tell it my fitness goals. It creates a personalized workout plan. Every day it tells me exactly which exercises to do, how many reps, how much weight. It adjusts based on my progress automatically. I do not need a personal trainer. I do not need to research workouts.
I handles everything.
I just show up and follow instructions. During the workday, I have 3 major automations running.
Automation 1. Email management.
I covered this in my workflow video, but here's the update. Gemini reads all my emails. It categorizes them automatically.
Urgent.
Action needed.
Informational.
Spam. It drafts responses to anything urgent. I review and send. What used to take 1 hour now takes 10 minutes.
Automation 2.
Meeting notes and follow-ups. During any meeting, Gemini voice mode listens. After the meeting, it creates notes. Action items, decisions made. Follow-up questions. Then it automatically creates tasks in my Notion workspace for each action item. I never manually create tasks from meetings anymore. It just happens.
Automation 3. Document creation.
Anytime I need to create a document, presentation, or report, I use Claude AI. I give it my rough outline or bullet points. Claude expands it into a full professional document. I edit and refine. What used to take 3 hours now takes 30 minutes. These 3 automations alone save me 8 hours per week at work.
Shopping automation changed my life.
I use ChatGPT to create my weekly grocery list. Every Saturday I say, I need groceries for 2 people for 1 week. Healthy meals, budget $300. Include breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. ChatGPT creates a complete grocery list organized by store section.
Produce.
Dairy. Meat. Pantry. I copy it into my phone notes.
Go to the store. Follow the list.
Done in 45 minutes.
No wandering aisles. No impulse buying.
No forgetting items. I also use AI for price comparison. Before buying anything expensive, I ask Perplexity AI, What are the best deals on this product right now? Which retailers have sales? Are there better alternatives? Perplexity searches the entire internet, gives me the best prices with links. I saved over $2,000 last year using this method.
Finanzautomation.
I use an AI budgeting app called Monarch Money. It connects to my bank accounts. It categorizes every transaction automatically. Groceries,
Entertainment.
bills, subscriptions. Every month it sends me a spending report. Here is where your money went. Here is where you overspent. Here are subscriptions you never use that you should cancel. I do not track expenses manually anymore.
AI does it for me.
I just review the monthly report and adjust my behavior. Health tracking is completely automated. I use an app called HealthifyMe. It is an AI nutrition coach. I take a photo of every meal.
The AI identifies the food,
Calculates calories, protein, carbs, fats. Tracks everything automatically. At the end of each day it tells me, you hit your protein goal, but went over on carbs. Tomorrow focus on more vegetables and less bread. It is like having a nutritionist in my pocket.
Sleep-Optimization.
I use an AI sleep tracker called Sleep Cycle. It monitors my sleep quality using my phone. Every morning it gives me a sleep score and tells me what affected my sleep. You went to bed late. You had caffeine after 6 p.m. Your room was too warm. Over time, I learned what improves my sleep. Now I sleep better because AI taught me my patterns. Mental health check-ins. Every evening at 9 p.m. I get a notification from an AI journaling app called Rosebud. It asks me 3 questions. What went well today? What was challenging?
What am I grateful for?
I spend 5 minutes answering. The AI analyzes my responses over time and identifies patterns. You seem stressed about work lately. You feel happier on days when you exercise. You are most grateful for time with friends. This level of self-awareness used to require therapy or deep reflection. Now AI helps me understand myself better automatically. I even automated parts of my social life. I use AI to remember birthdays and special occasions. My calendar has everyone's birthday. 2 weeks before each birthday, Gemini sends me a reminder. It also suggests gift ideas based on that person's interests, which I previously noted.
I never forget birthdays anymore.
I am always prepared with thoughtful gifts.
Message responses.
When I get messages that need responses but I am busy, I use ChatGPT to draft replies. I give it context. This person asked me this. I want to say this but make it sound warm and friendly. ChatGPT writes it. I review and personalize. Send. This is not being fake. This is getting help expressing myself clearly when I am rushed. Learning and personal growth.
I use Claude AI as my personal tutor.
Any topic I want to learn, I ask Claude to create a learning plan. I want to learn Spanish. Claude creates a 12-week curriculum. Week 1, basic greetings and pronunciation. Week 2, common verbs, and so on.
I follow the plan.
I use ChatGPT to practice conversations. I am learning Spanish without paying for classes or apps.
Just AI guidance.
Here is my complete automation system.
Morning briefing, Gemini.
Meal planning, ChatGPT. Exercise planning, FitnessAI.
Email management, Gemini.
Meeting notes,
Gemini voice mode. Document creation, Claude.
Shopping lists, ChatGPT. Price comparison, Perplexity.
Finance tracking, Monarch Money.
Nutrition tracking, HealthifyMe.
Sleep tracking, Sleep Cycle.
Mental health journaling, Rosebud.
Birthday reminders, Gemini calendar. Learning plans, Claude. Total monthly cost,
$50 for premium versions of apps. Time saved. 15 hours minimum per week.
3 final tips.
1. Start with one automation. Get comfortable. Then add more. Do not try to automate everything at once.
2. Review your automations monthly.
What is working? What needs adjustment? Keep improving. 3. Remember, automation is about buying back your time. Use that time for things that actually matter. Friends, family, hobbies, rest. AI should work for you, not replace what makes life meaningful. If this inspired you, like and subscribe.
Comment below, what part of your life do you want to automate first?
I will tell you exactly which tool to use. Thanks for watching.